In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align text in Wix. Whether you're creating a new website or updating an existing one, making sure your text is properly aligned is an essential part of achieving a professional and polished design. Centering text can help draw attention to important information, create balance on your page, and improve the overall user experience. The process is simple and straightforward, so even if you're new to Wix, you'll be able to follow along with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've signed in, select the website you're currently working on. If you have multiple sites, double-check that you're opening the correct one. After that, click on the Edit Site button. This will open up the Wix Website Editor, which is where all the customization magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, navigate to the specific text you want to center align. Take a moment to scroll through your site and find the section where your text is located. Once you've located it, click directly on the text box containing the text you want to edit. By clicking on the text box, you're selecting it and letting Wix know this is the element you'd like to modify. Next, look for the Edit Text button. This button should appear near the text box once you've selected it. Click on Edit Text, and this will bring up the Text Settings panel. The Text Settings panel is your main tool for adjusting how your text looks and behaves within the editor. In the Text Settings panel, locate the alignment icon. This icon is usually represented by stacked lines that depict different alignment styles, such as left aligned, center aligned, and right aligned. Click on this icon to open the alignment options. From the alignment choices that appear, select the Center Align option. Once you click this, your text should instantly shift to the center of the text box. Take a moment to verify that the change has been applied correctly. You should now see your text perfectly centered within its container. And that's it. You've successfully center-aligned text in Wix. This small adjustment can make a big difference in the overall look of your website, helping it feel more organized and visually appealing. If you ever need to adjust alignment again, whether it's left, right, or center, you can follow this same process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.